Hello and good evening to all. Lots of thanks for your support. So today in this video, I will give you the important informations. It's a job vacancies from Oman. I hope you all of know that Oman is a Gulf country. If you have a interest to apply for this job in Oman, please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the urgent job vacancies from Oman. The job is Gemstone Setter, bench jeweler for workshop in Oman. There is a jewel workshop. If you have experience in the gemstone setter, please focus what is the job profile, what is the applying process, and apply as soon as possible. Salary will be 1 real, 100 150. That means it will be come in the Indian currency 18,000 to 27,000. Looking for a gemstone setter, bench jeweler for workshop in Oman. We are looking for experienced diamond and color stone setter who knows stone setting, all types of soldering, form, restating stones, assembly, and polishing, meet the predetermined quality standards, and can work under pressure in a custom jewelry department. If you have experience, please focus. The ideal candidate will have 5 years of experience in setting gemstones, diamonds, sapphire, emeralds, etc., and have good skills in from bezel. As you can see here, this is all about the jewelry maintenance experience you should have. If you have the proper experience, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible by forward your updated CV to the given official email ID and follow up by the contact numbers. So friends, this is a job for gemstone setter. If you have experience, without any late, apply as soon as possible by forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. Let's move to the next job. OH lineman record in Oman. Urgent vacancies for OH lineman. Location Salah, Oman. Designations OH lineman. Number of vacancies 50. 50 linemen they will require. Salary range 30,000 to 35,000 in Indian currency. The male candidate only apply. Age limits 23 to 32. Not more than that 32. Job category ITI preferred jobs. OH lineman. Interview date will inform. Interview venue in Chennai. Please keep in mind this is very important. This is the official address in which office you will attend the client interview in Chennai. So if you have interest, if you have the proper qualifications and experience, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible by forward your updated CV. Otherwise, it's a best option. Directly visit to the office in Chennai and ask about the client interview and submit your documents and attend the interview. This is best option. If you are out of Chennai, if you are out of India, you can directly send your updated CV to the given official email ID and follow them about the client interview in this venue. Next job, electrical control engineer. Urgent vacancies for electrical control engineer in Oman. Location, Sultanate of Oman. Designations, electrical control engineer. Number of vacancies, 5. 5 candidates. Requirements for electrical engineer. Salary range, they will inform you after success from interview. Because many times some of company or some of employers, they don't want to declare the salary details. Gender, male only can apply. Age limit should be 25 to 40. Job category, electrical engineer. Preferred jobs, electrical engineering, technicians, maintenance, technicians, electrical. Interview date will inform. Interview venue, educational qualification. Interview venue is the same as per the above requirements. Accommodation, ticket, annual leave, everything will be provided by the company. Please focus some information, any other special requirements. The job descriptions as follows: university degree in electrical engineering, preferably fire systems engineering with 6 years of minimum experience in electrical utility in real-time operations of power systems and control. Good knowledge of safety procedures, in particular electrical safety rules, working knowledge of automations, automatic generations control and energy management systems. Proven capability to implement client code, read code and system operations procedures in electrical utilities. So this is some specific skills to requirement is the requirement to apply for these jobs. So friends, today I already shared with you different job openings. First job is gemstone setter or bench jeweler. Next job is OH lineman and next job is electrical control engineer. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the requirements by the employer, you can apply any of these jobs. Which job is suitable for you? as per your qualifications and experience. Apply as soon as possible. And please, I can suggest you, all information is available in the descriptions. Please, once you go to the descriptions, collect all informations and read by yourselves. Then you will understand better what is the latest job openings from Oman, how to apply, what is the applying process, everything details you will know, you will understand by yourselves. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Please focus. This is very important. Many times I am sharing with you the recent job openings many countries. So you have to utilize these informations. You have to apply again and again. If you are looking for an abroad job, you have to apply again and again. I already told in the previous video just same things. If you are looking for an abroad job, don't lose your hope. Apply again and again. You have to try again and again. Then only you can get the success. So friends, please utilize these informations. Once try to apply, once try to attend the client interview in the locations. Of course you will gain experience, and of course you will get confidence. Then you can crack the interview, then you can get success in your careers to get a job in abroad. So friends, as per my experience I am sharing with you, you have to try again and again. You have to focus, you have to apply each and every job, and you have to attend the interview. Of course, according to your qualifications and experience, if you will attend the interview again and again, of course you can get a confidence. Then you can crack the interview. Of course you will get a success for your careers. I'm telling you again and again. So please go to the descriptions, collect all informations. All information is there, including numbers, contact numbers, official email ID, everything available there in the descriptions. Collect this information and read by yourselves. You will better understand about the requirements. Then it will be easy to apply for these jobs. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course it will be valuable information if they are looking for a job in abroad. And finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in next future I will give you the informations which is latest job openings from another country. Up to that, bye bye.